pepper curry leaf omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the black pepper recipes and one of the most tastiest of the pepper recipes and one of the most easiest. Today we are going to make pepper curry leaf omelette. We have taken around 5 to 6 sprigs of curry leaves. The ingredients are 2 eggs, 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces, 15 grams of garlic, around 20 to 30 shallots cut into small pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Now break in 2 eggs, into the bowl. Mix the yellow and the white portion of the eggs together. Cover the mix. Cover the mix. The eggs. Now put in the tomato pieces. Mix in the tomato pieces and crush. Crush the tomato pieces while mixing. Now put in the ginger pieces. Mix in the ginger pieces with the tomato. Thoroughly mix in. And while mixing, crush the tomato pieces further. Mix until it's frothy. Now put in the garlic pieces. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Keep on mixing and crush the ginger, garlic and the tomato. mix the shallots with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix and crush all the ingredients together. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. Crush all the ingredients together. Put in 2 spoons of black pepper. Mix in the black pepper with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the black pepper. Put in the curry leaves into the mix, into the egg mixture. Mix thoroughly. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Pour in the egg mixture into the pan and let it fry. Turn to low heat. Let it fry. Turn it over. Let it fry further for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn it over. Now the black pepper curry leaf omelette is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final black pepper curry leaf omelette, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the curry leaf recipes and one of the most unique of the omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried omelette recipes and one of the most delicious of the curry leaf omelette recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.